So we have question number 10 of the JAMB 2020 examination. So we are asked that the sum of the interior angle of a polygon is 20 right angles. So we ask, how many sides does the polygon have? How many sides does the polygon has? So if you recall, the formula for sum of interior angle of any polygon is m minus 2 times 180. So this is sum of interior angles of a polygon, and we're told that this sum is equals to 20 right angles. So it's equals to 20 right angles. I know that right angles are equals to 90 what degree. So we have m minus 2 times 180 is equals to what? 1800. So we have this. So let's equate for this. So we have m minus 2 is equals to 180 1800 over 180. So this is 0, this is equals to 10. So we have m minus 2 is equals to 10. Therefore n is equals to 10 plus 2. So n is equals to what? 12. So that is our